Hello, welcome back to my channel, Dr. B ESL class. That is Dr. B, Dr. ESL class on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe or log on to my website, tesltutor.com for more information. All right, I will begin our lesson today with letter sound recognition. Listen carefully. I will be reading words with long E sounds. Okay? You will get a chance to read and practice reading words with long E sound. Listen carefully. You ready? All right. We will begin with E-A-T. Eat. All right. This word is eat. What's that word? Eat. All right. Thumbs up. Let's put letters in front of the word eat to practice reading more words. This is letter B. B says B, eat, beat. This is letter F. F says eat, feet. This is letter H. H says eat, heat. This is letter M. M says eat, meat. This is letter N. N says eat, neat. This is R-E-P. Eat, repeat. This is letter S. S says eat, seat. All right. Your turn to read, and I will listen. You ready? Your turn to read. Beat. Correct. Your turn to read. Feet. Correct. Your turn to read. Correct. Correct. Your turn to read. Meat. Correct. Your turn to read. Neat. Very good. Your turn to read. Repeat. Very good. Your turn to read. Seat. All right. Let's read the words again. Let's practice reading more words. Beat, feet, heat, meat, neat, repeat, seat. All right. Thumbs up. Very good. Let's practice reading more words with long E sound. Two E's is E. Here you go. Two E's. E. Listen carefully. B says B. E. B. G says G. E. G. K and N makes one sound. Silent K. Silent. E. Knee. This is letter S. S says S. E. C. These are letters S, P, R. Sp, R, E. Spree. This is letter T. T says T. E. T. These are letter T, H. TH makes one sound. Mm, V. These are letters THR. Three. Three. These are letters T and R. E. Tree. All right. It's your turn to read, and I will listen. Get ready, your turn to read. B. Your turn to read. G. Your turn to read. Knee. Your turn to read. C. Your turn to read. Spree. Your turn to read. T. Your turn to read. V. Your turn to read. 3. Your turn to read. Tree. Good job. Let's read it again. First word, B. Next word, G. Next word, knee. Next word, C. Next word, spree. Next word, T. Next word, V. Next word, 3. Next word, tree. Good job. Thumbs up. You did a great job. High five. Next is letter E. These are words that begin with letter E. E says E as in eagle. Where's the eagle? Eagle begins with long vowel sound. E says E as in earring. Where's the earring? Earring begins with long vowel sound. E says E as in eel. Where's the eel? Now going back to all these long vowel sounds, let's read them again. Eagle, earring, eel. You notice they have E and A. It makes one sound, long vowel sound. E, E, two E's makes one sound, long vowel sound. Let's continue. E says E as in egg. Egg begins with short vowel sound. E says E as in elbow. Elbow begins with short vowel sound. A says A as in elephant. Elephant begins with short vowel sound. Now, I utilize picture naming and word production. In the previous slide and all of the following slides, the words and its corresponding pictures was and will be matched to make a connection and meaning of the spoken words. This will help learners gain vocabulary meaning and language acquisition. This is the end of my lesson. Thank you for watching my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and follow my next lesson. High five. Great job. Thumbs up. All right, that was the end of our lesson. High five. You did a great job. Thank you for coming to my classroom. Thank you for watching. Follow me on my YouTube. More lessons coming up. Bye-bye.